When you have many attendees to your training or event, you don't want to create certificates one at a time. This is how you can create them in bulk. You need a list in a CSV format, and you can download a sample file to complete from here. Once added the details to the upload file, make sure you save it in CSV format. If you need help on how to prepare a CSV file, we have a separate video for that. Once you are ready, you just select the template, select the course, and upload your completed CSV file. So let's find a file that has been prepared. It will now show you the list of certificates that are about to be created. You can also check them in the preview, and it's important you check them because when you press the Add Certificates button, all these certificates will be created in bulk and they will be emailed out to the correct recipient. Thank you. If you need any help, please visit our support site at www.support.open-cpd.com or email us on support@open-cpd.com.